Are you ready to get your Facebook business page set up? Then you're in the right place. Hi, everyone. I'm New York Times bestselling author Jamie Brumfield with Social Media Marketing Secrets. And today we're going to talk about how to set up your Facebook business page. So if you haven't set up your Facebook business page, you're in the right place because we're going to walk you through step by step on how to do that through a screencast tutorial, as well as linking up your free group so you can market both of those at the same time, and also getting those first likes. So this video is a little bit longer than what we do on this channel, but it is a 101 video, social media marketing tips 101, which means we're going to go over step by step, and so it does take a little bit longer to go through that. We're also going to talk about why you want to join Facebook and why it's important to join Facebook. And so there's a lot of great information. Grab a pen and paper, get ready to take notes, or you could simply just follow along on your computer by pausing the video. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe. Click the bell to get notifications when new videos become available. If you've already subscribed to this channel, thank you so much for your support. We truly do appreciate it. You are the reason why we keep doing these videos, to help you build your social media marketing empire. All right, so thanks so much for tuning in. Let's get started. Reasons why you should consider creating a Facebook account. There are general factors that you should always consider when choosing a social media platform. And here's the thing, eventually you'll want to balloon out to multiple social media platforms, but if you're just starting into the social media marketing world, my suggestion is to start with one platform, build out that platform, get that platform's growth going, and then choose a second platform to link back to that. So you're going to eventually want to open multiple platforms, but you want to do it on a slow pace to make sure that you get the attention that each platform needs. So here we're going to talk about building up your Facebook account. So the things that you want to consider when choosing a platform is cost, how much that platform is going to cost. If it's suitable for what range of business. So is it a small business? Is it a home business? Is it suitable for these? Is it suitable for big corporations, entrepreneurship, that kind of thing? Just to give you an idea, my Facebook platform, I have my personal page, and then I have my author fan page. I have my social media marketing secrets page, which you see on the screen, which I just opened because I just opened this channel. And then I have my everyday work from home Facebook page, and also my facts and Surviving Our World channel page, which I also have just opened up. So I have multiple pages, but they're specific to specific audience that each one of those channels, each one of those streams of income, each one of those parts of my home business empire that actually address. So somebody who wants to be a fan of my author page may not find social media marketing secrets important to them because they're not running a business. They just like to read paranormal fiction. And so they're a fan of my business or my Facebook page for my author page, but they're not a fan of my social media marketing secrets page. So keep that in mind when you're building this out. Popularity for your niche. How popular is your niche on each one of these platforms? So kind of look into that. You want to understand the ease of use. You know, how easy is it to use this platform? There are some platforms that are more difficult to use, or you might not be as comfortable using those platforms as you are using some platforms. So you really want to figure out which one's going to be, good for you to get started. And then as you grow out, you consider that. What kind of features are available? What kind of advanced features are available? Their targeting methods and how you can target geographically, as well as, niching down targets, and then the people, the age of who uses this. So let's talk a little bit about Facebook. Facebook, first of all, is one of the most popular social media platforms out there, and it has the numbers to prove it. Literally, they have a massive number of users, but not just users, but active users. The size of Facebook's users alone in their demographics is enough for people to want to open up a Facebook page. But I can tell you, just in talking to people in general on the street, I will have heard from people, especially the younger generation, where they say, "Oh yeah, I was curious about that business, but when I went onto Facebook to find out more about them, I couldn't find anything." That's why social media is so important nowadays, because websites are not necessarily where people go to find information. They go to their social media channels like Facebook. They might go to Twitter because they want to hear what's going on there. They're looking for social presence. So social presence is important. So let's get back to the active users. The number of active users on Facebook, they have more than 1 billion active users visiting the site daily. 1 billion, right? That's 1 in 7 of the people in the world visiting Facebook daily. And they have more than 2 billion active monthly users. So people who may not go on daily, but they definitely hit the website at least once a month. So that's 2 out of 7 of the human beings on this planet that visit Facebook. So that's huge. And then you've got the demographics are pretty well evenly split, because you've got men and women who use Facebook. You've got the older generation who use Facebook. Each generation uses Facebook. They have their numbers, they're broken down, as well as, the younger generation. So you've got a full gamut of generational demographics that you can use, as well as worldwide demographics, because they have a global network. They also have language translation. So basically, if you don't speak multiple languages, don't worry, because Facebook has more than 70 translations available. So the key really comes down to using Facebook effectively. And be sure to subscribe to this channel, click the bell to get notifications when new videos become available, because we will be breaking down the use of Facebook in our social media marketing 101, especially the Facebook playlist. But our social media marketing 101 is going to break down doing Facebook. So you're definitely going to want to subscribe to this channel and click the like to get, or click the bell to get notifications when new videos become available. So up next, I'm going to show you a screenshot specifically on how to set up your Facebook account. And remember, I told you I have multiple Facebook business accounts for different lines of business, right? So you might want to consider setting up multiple Facebook accounts for if you have different lines of business. Then I'm also going to talk to you about how to link a group so that you can go ahead and make sure that you have both of those up and running. I'm going to show you the step-by-step tutorial to that, as well as I'm going to show you how to get your first likes. So we're going to go through those 3 step-by-step tutorials and for this video, and then we're going to go ahead and end the video so that you can check out, so that you're not wasting your time with going over this. So let's get started. Okay, so to create a Facebook business page, go up here to your account. First of all, log into your account. Then go ahead and click on Create. And when you click on Create, you've got the option to create a page, an ad, a group, event, marketplace listing, or fundraiser. We're going to go ahead and create a page. That's going to bring us here. So we are actually creating a page for our brand new channel called Social Media Marketing Secrets. This is going to be in conjunction with our YouTube channel, so we're going to be creating a complete brand through that channel so you can see from start to finish as you continue to work through the process of starting social media marketing. That's what this channel is all about, so I'm actually taking you through the process. So that being the case, we're going to go with business or brand. So showcase your products and services, spotlight your brand, and reach more customers on Facebook. Or you can do a community or public figure, connect and share with people in the community, your community organization, team, group, or club. So of course we're going to do brand because this is for the Social Media Marketing Secrets brand. Let's get started. The name of the page is Social Media Marketing Secrets. Category, type a word or 2 that best describes your page, then choose a suggested category. This is marketing. think we're going to go with advertising and marketing. For now, I might change that. You want to enter in your address and your phone number. When you add in your address, phone number, the phone number is optional. You can also choose, if this is an online business, to only show your state or your region as opposed to showing your full address, seeing if you're working from home. So then go ahead, press continue, and it brings you up to this page where you add a profile picture. Help people find your page by adding a photo. Now, profile pictures are very important. You can go to canva.com and create a profile picture, or you can go elsewhere, but I use canva.com and I find it's very effective. So you want to upload your profile picture, or you can press skip now and you can do it later. When you add that profile picture, then it's going to go ahead and ask you to upload a cover photo. Now, the profile picture is the round profile picture on the bottom of the business page, and then the cover photo is your banner photo. So you can use your logo for your profile picture, or your picture, or whatever you'd like there, and then your banner. Okay, once you upload your photos, or you press skip and then you'll upload those photos later, it's going to bring you to your actual page that you have created. And this is now, you have officially created your page. Your page has one tab here called Home, another tab called Posts, another tab called Reviews. See more, you can go down to Videos, Photos, About, Community, Groups. We'll talk about all of these in other videos. This is really just about getting your Facebook business page set up, and that's what we have done here. We'll talk about creating content, the tabs, all of that in other videos. So the first step for you is to get your Facebook business page set up, and the step-by-step instructions that we just went through should help you get that going. All right. All right, so as explained earlier, what we're doing in this video is we're actually creating a group. Now, one thing that Social Media Marketing Secrets talks about all the time is that engagement and building a community around your brand is super important. So this is a big deal. If you can create a community, create a group, and get people engaged and get people talking, then you can help them with their issues, and then you can eventually continue to promote and do other things as well. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and show you how to link up or create a group that is linked to your page. Now, in a previous video, we talked about how to set up we gave you step-by-step instructions on how to set up your Facebook business page. Again, we are starting this brand from scratch on this channel so that you can see how you can build and continue to grow together. So then the step that we're going to take here is we're going to go to our tab section here where it says community. Click on community. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a group. So groups, create a group to build community around your page. Help your audience connect in a group. Groups are separate spaces for people to have discussions, plan events, share photos, and more. You can do so much in a group. You can interact with people in the group as your page or as yourself. So just simply click create group. And I've already done the search, and the search basically told me that there were no groups with the name Social Media Marketing Secrets Group, so we're going to go ahead and keep that name. What I would suggest is definitely searching on Facebook and making sure that nobody else has your name, so that way you can stand out from the crowd with your own name. We're going to go ahead and keep that. This is how easy it is. So here's the group, your name, add some people. My name is already added in there. And select your privacy. You can do public, and this is a free group. So if you have a paid group, you definitely want to do closed. But because this is a free group, I want to make it public so anyone can find the group, see who's in it, and what they post. On a closed group, anyone can find the group and see who runs it. Only members can see who is in it and what they post. And on a secret group, only members can find the group, see who's in the group, and what they post. So, of course, this is going to be a free group that I'm going to go to public. And once I've done that, You can also go here and learn more about groups privacy here. But as I've set up multiple groups, I'm pretty confident in that knowledge. So I press create. And it brings me straight to my group. And this is my brand new created group. And here you can go ahead and upload a photo for your group. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Once you've uploaded your picture, you can drag to reposition it however you want to do so. Kind of want her. There we go. So I'm going to save. And voila, my group is created. It is that simple. Facebook has made it very easy to get things created. Now, we will talk more about creating engagement and things like that in other videos. This is just basically a starter video to get you started and go ahead and create a group that is linked to your page. And you'll see this group by Social Media Marketing Secrets. You're also going to see that it's I'm already starting to work on branding. Branding is going to have this yellow as well as the yellow in here and then a little red. You're going to see red, yellow, and I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the blue in, but blue is a good color for that too. So you can kind of see while it's not the branding is not specifically identical, what I'm doing is I'm creating a color brand where I've got colors that are going into my post. We'll talk about branding again in another video. All right, so you've got your group posted or you got your group created. It's linked up to your Facebook business page. Now you can start inviting people, and that is your mission. Should you choose to accept it, start inviting people to your group and your public page, your public group and your public page. Congratulations, you're on your way to getting set up on Facebook. Step one to finding people to like your page is starting with your circle of friends and family. So basically, you're going to want to go to your social or to your actual business page on Facebook, and you're going to want to go to right here where it says invite friends to like your page. Pages with 10 or more likes gets more engagement. You want to continue to grow those likes, but let's get started with simply getting 10 or more. So go ahead and you just want to click here and you want to invite your friends. You can search for friends, or it's got a list below where you can start inviting your friends that you interact with the most. So go ahead and start inviting friends that way. Let's talk about step number 2, where you can go ahead and get more likes on your page. All right, so I know we just discussed a lot and you've got a lot to work with, so I hope you really enjoyed that. I just wanted to say goodbye. This is your New York Times bestselling author, Jamie Brumfield, with Social Media Marketing Secrets, signing off, reminding you to keep it simple, superstars. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell to get notifications when new videos become available. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on Social Media Marketing Secrets.